In this demo, let's talk about CDC or Changelog together with Debezium and mutable stream, all those topics. I'm going to using a Postgres database in the cloud and Rapanda as the remote messenger broker, and using Templars to receive those changelogs and provide some SQL-based analysis. And in the local side, using the Kafka together with Debezium in the Docker image, and also using a Rapanda console as the UI to easily manage the Kafka topics and the Kafka Connect. Before talking about more implementation details, let's check out the demo first. So in this Templars cloud, I set up a dashboard to run a few queries. So imagine you have a simple online shop selling iPhones. And now you have one iPhone 14, the basic model. Let me bring up the SQL client and add a new item such as iPhone 14 Plus. You can see immediately this we get a new event in the dem_product table using this new price. And you can also see that is right now we have two products with the count as 2 and the total price as this one. As you can imagine, we can keep adding new items. So for example, say we add the other ones, the iPhone Pro Max. I'm not sure what's the latest price. So imagine this is this one. The beauty of Templars that is we keep getting the latest data from the upstreams. In the case is Rapanda, and update everything on the dashboard. Okay, cool. Now you might want to say, okay, maybe this is not the correct price. I don't want to sell this item right now. So you can do that is actually you can delete these items in the database. And now see you this item is deleted because we have in the special TP delta as a -1, indicating this item is deleted. And in the same time, you can see the number of products back to 2 and the total price back to this one. And of course, you can also do other updates. For example, you want to increase the price for the iPhone 14 a little bit. Say, let's change iPhone 14 to 800. So the 800 is the new value, and we keep the current count as 2, but the total price for these two items right now is 1699. And for here, you get actually 2 records. One is the -1, indicating this row is deleted. Then the other one is to add a new value. Okay, so this is demonstrating we can get data from the change or update or delete from the upstream. Now let's make things a little bit more interesting. That is, for example, let's refresh the page to see what's the current price. Okay, now we have 2 items, 14 and 14 Plus. Let's add an order. So let's buy maybe 2 items, one 14, one 14 Plus. And see immediately you get the value that is, hey, this is the, I have 2 records. The order number is 15 and 16 on this date, and also apply a join, so it could getting the latest value as 16. So there's a few many other interesting you can do, but for the sake of time, let's check out how everything is implemented. As I mentioned, that is I have a local Docker compose using the Debezium. It's all-in-one with all the Kafka Connect and the Debezium connector, and also using the Rapanda console. The Rapanda console is a nice way for you to check all the connectors. For example, this is the connector I'm using, and what is more interesting that is whenever there's a new event, for example, here this is the order table, and if I go back to the console, if I add 2 more orders, say for example right now this is the last item is 18 and 19. If I add 2 more items and refresh the console, you can see that is I get 2 events, and this is indicating the type is create, which is insert. And you can also do the update if you want. For example, I want to say I want to cancel one order, which is say I want to cancel the order 18. Then you will get a message from Debezium indicating the operation is delete, and with the previous value and the new value is none. Similarly, you can do the same for the update. And for templates, besides the append only stream, we are now introducing the changelog stream and the version the stream. The name might be changed a little bit, but the idea that is using changelog stream, you can well integrate with Debezium and other CDC technology. You can have all those insert, update, delete events to be captured and converted into our database. And we can give you the latest result anytime, as long as the permit key is same. And we're also having a new stream called in version the stream. And you don't have to come up with this correct TP delta column, as long as you can set the right primary key. And all the new events with the same primary key will overwrite the previous value for the same primary key. So with that, it will be very powerful for you to leverage all your existing CDC technology together with templates to come up with the latest aggregation of the result with minimal coding and effort. Thanks so much, and talk soon.